Well, Bob, teachers from all over Utah plan to call in sick today to get tested for COVID-19. Now, this effort is not only to keep students safe, but to send a message to school districts as well as the state.
Teaching is already a stressful job, and this has added so much stress on teachers.
Lindsay Plummer is a teacher in the Granite School District and an administrator of the Facebook group Teachers Take Charge.
We want our students to be safe. We want their families to be safe. And we want our teachers to be safe. And this is a community effort.
She says the test out was all about taking a stand and asking for more safety protocols to be put in schools.
We're really upset that we're being told that we need to stay in our households, and but then it's okay to be in a school building with hundreds of people.
While it's hard to say just how many teachers were participating in the test out, Lindsay says she knows other teachers stand with her today.
Technically speaking, it's a violation of the agreement, and so I don't think teachers wanted to make it known if they were going to participate.
We checked with several school districts on their teacher absentee numbers. Granite School District says they had 24 more teachers out sick today than normal, while the Canyons and Jordan school districts say there were no more call-outs than normal.
We actually had a half a dozen or so teachers reach out to the district and say, hey, if you need me in another location, I'm happy to move and go help support our students and make sure that every kid has a warm, safe place to be with a caring teacher.
Horsley says while the Granite School District is doing all it can to keep everyone safe, school isn't the problem. The district's data shows less than 2% of cases impacting the district are happening on school property.
The governor's order is directed very at the heart of the problem. The school is not the problem. At-home social and family circumstances are the issue where we're seeing the greatest amount of transmission of COVID.
While teachers argue more transmission is happening in schools due to asymptomatic carriers, Plummer says today's test out is all about encouraging more people to get tested and fighting for change. Plummer goes on to say that the mental health of students and staff is something that administrators should take into consideration because it's important, and the not knowing of who has the virus and whether or not their classes will be in person the next day is extremely stressful to everyone. Live in Salt Lake, Lexi Johnson, Fox 13 News, Utah.